Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Resume template and checking its style structure. This matters because Word templates use theme colors globally. Once open, go to Design Colors and inspect the current palette, then choose Customize Colors if you need specific hex or RGB values. Enter your primary color for headings and an accent for links or lines. Make sure to save the custom theme name so changes apply across sections. This step prevents inconsistent hues later when you edit individual elements. Next, systematically apply those theme colors to styles and objects so the resume looks cohesive. First, modify Heading 1 and Heading 2 in Home styles to use theme colors for font and outline. This updates all headings at once. Then click any shape, line, or divider and use Format Shape Fill or Outline to select theme colors, ensuring contrast and readability. For tables and bullet lists, use Table Tools and the bullets drop down to pick theme colors. This avoids manual recoloring of each item. To finish, verify how colors render across devices and in print. Open Print Preview and run the accessibility checker to ensure adequate contrast for recruiters. Once satisfied, embed fonts or export as PDF to lock colors and layout. If something looks wrong, check for theme overrides. Select text or objects and choose Reset to Match Style, then reapply theme colors. And if colors shift in print, confirm your printer color profile or convert to sRGB before exporting. This usually fixes unexpected color changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.